How to use Spotify karaoke mode. When planning a party, we often think about delicious food, refreshing beverages, and the fun of karaoke. While tasty dishes are important, karaoke has a unique way of uniting everyone as they belt out their favorite tunes. However, having a proper karaoke setup or purchasing special equipment used to be necessary, but not anymore. Spotify, the globally renowned music streaming platform, now offers a karaoke mode. This feature transforms your smartphone into a karaoke machine, simplifying the process of hosting a sing-along. What sets Spotify's karaoke mode apart is its ability to lower the original song's vocal track, providing you with an instrumental backdrop for your singing. For karaoke enthusiasts, this mode offers a chance to channel your inner superstar, be it Bruno Mars or Taylor Swift. Here we'll provide comprehensive details on how to get started with Spotify karaoke on both smartphones and PCs. Let's dive in. Unlike the standard lyrics feature in Spotify, the karaoke mode uniquely lowers or eliminates the main vocals from a track, giving you an instrumental version to sing along to. Plus, it adds an element of fun by scoring your singing out of 100, offering playful feedback. Remember, the true measure of your performance might just be the number of listeners who stayed till the end of your song. Thankfully, Spotify hasn't limited this feature to premium subscribers only. It's available to all users in regions where their service is offered, provided the app is updated. Here's how to use it. First, open Spotify on your device. Then find and play the song you want to sing. Then go to the lyrics section of the song. Now activate karaoke mode by tapping the sing button with a microphone icon. The song's vocals will be muted, leaving you with the instrumental. After singing, you'll receive a performance score and feedback from Spotify. Enjoy unlimited karaoke sessions in this mode. Spotify uses an audio analyzer that works with your device's microphone to evaluate your singing.